Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Citibank account on PC. Citibank offers multiple banking services and products like credit card. To log in Citibank account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.citi.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Citibank. Now on the right side here you can see the login box. Now here to log in you need to first enter your user ID on the given box. After that, enter your correct password on the given box. If you want your user ID to be remembered, then click on Remember User ID box. With that, you can also sign in with passwordless method. To do that, click on Passwordless Sign On. For this method, you need to open your device camera or Citi mobile application. Then you need to scan the QR code. With that, you will be able to sign in to your account. If you don't want to go through this passwordless sign-in process, then after entering your user ID and password, click on the option of Sign On. With that, you'll be able to log into your Citibank account. This is how we can log in Citi account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.